special guest. This is Bud D Boy. Buddy, say hi. Say hi, buddy. Buddy, say hi. Say hi, buddy. He's usually very, very vocal, like to a very crazy degree. But anyway, this is Buddy Boy. He actually goes poop in the toilet. Yes, you heard that right. He's actually in the Guinness World Records for the cat that can jump the farthest, which is 11 feet. And he beat the last cat, was 6 feet. It was crazy. But yeah, his owner is a trainer, and he's super fit, and he just keeps Buddy healthy. And yeah, he's my cat for now. So today I want to talk about my art.
My name is Sandy Wissinger, and you may have seen some of my art listed on this page.
My first piece of art is, this one's called Chaos For You. This one has, you can see it has some glitter on it. It has some layers with some glue. So this chair represents escapism, how some people smoke a lot of cigarettes, or they go outside, or they go out. The chair represents that. It has a broken heart on it. It kind of talks about a broken family and tragedy and stuff like that. And it has a forest. I used to live in the country, and it's inspired by that. This kind of yellowy mustard color here kind of represents people. And this right here represents a ray of light. The glitter represents good times. The mosquito is kind of like the darkness. And this is the sky. It's a story about a family that they lost their mother very young. So I just wanted to kind of paint the tragedy and make it beautiful. So yeah, this one's one of my more expensive pieces. I want you to buy it, so if you want to buy it, totally do so. So, this one's called Mother Love. More feminine. They're all acrylic, by the way, on canvas. This one was originally intended to be a Mother's Day gift, but I decided to give something else to my mom. And this just had different themes of femininity, and as you all know, or may not know, my band, The Coven, we have a song called Daisy, and I use flowers a lot to represent femininity and things like that. So this just kind of represents the matriarchs in a family and things like that. So yeah, I take a long time to make paintings. I don't really do them that often, although I'm about to get back into it. But these are all very kind of specific scenarios that I've gone through, and then it takes me a long time to process them, and then I'll create some art. So now we are going to chant